Imagine waking up to find the world outside transformed into a white abyss. The Great Blizzard of 1888, which struck from March 11 to 14, unleashed a ferocious storm across the eastern United States. It brought snow drifts up to 50 feet high and winds exceeding 80 miles per hour. Over 400 people lost their lives, while thousands were stranded in their homes and on trains. New York City was paralyzed, with public transport halted and businesses shut down. This blizzard led to significant changes in weather forecasting and emergency response measures. The storm's unprecedented impact reshaped urban planning and prepared cities for future weather threats, forever marking the history of winter storms in America.